Hidden walking cost. If you are over 60, your walking pattern right now might be quietly stealing 5 to 10 years of comfortable movement from you. Every step you take with poor form can slowly wear down your knees, hips, and back without you noticing until it is too late. Many seniors only discover this after a fall, a fracture, or a sudden need for a cane. Up next, we dive into Clear Promise. Clear Promise. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to spot 3 dangerous walking patterns and what to change in your next 10-minute walk to protect your joints. You will learn a simple home test that may help you catch balance problems months before a serious fall. You will also see one easy walking tweak many people over 60 say makes their legs feel lighter in under a week. Shuffling pattern problem. If your feet barely leave the floor and you hear a soft shuffle with every step, your walking pattern might be putting you at higher risk of tripping on even a small rug or door frame. Many people over 60 start shuffling to feel safer, but this often makes their muscles weaker and their steps less stable over time. Overstriding and joint pain. On the other side, taking steps that are too long can pound your knees and hips with extra force every single day. If you feel a sharp jolt in your knee when your heel hits the ground, your stride may be working against you instead of for you. Many walkers over 60 push for speed, not realizing this pattern might be what turns a mild ache into constant discomfort within months. First simple fix. Here is where it gets really important. Changing where your foot lands under your body can completely change how your joints feel. Aim to place your foot closer under your hip instead of far out in front, so your weight rolls through the middle of your foot instead of slamming onto your heel. Posture and arm swing. If you walk with your head pushed forward and your eyes on the ground, you may be throwing your balance off with every step. Try lifting your chest slightly, looking about 10 to 15 feet ahead, and letting your arms swing gently at your sides like a relaxed pendulum. Many over 60s notice that this simple change can make their walk feel smoother and more secure within a week of daily practice. Midpoint quiz engagement. Quick question for you. When you walk, do you usually land more on your heel, the middle of your foot, or your toes? Pause for a second and really picture your last walk, then type your answer in the comments so you can see how others your age walk too. Most people never think about this, yet it can explain why some feel light on their feet while others feel heavy and sore. Single leg balance test. This next part might save you from a serious fall, so do not skip it. Stand near a counter, hold it lightly, and see if you can balance on one leg for at least 10 seconds without grabbing tight or hopping. If you struggle to reach even 5 seconds on each leg, your walking pattern may already be affected by weak stabilizing muscles, even if you have not fallen yet. Walking drill solution. During your next walk, try a 30-second heel-to-toe section where you slowly feel your heel, middle foot, and toes roll in order with each step. After that, add a 30-second march walk where you gently lift your knees a little higher, focusing on placing your feet quietly and softly. Real-world examples. Most people skip this part and regret it later, but seeing real situations makes the danger much clearer. Think of someone who slowly went from walking confidently, to using a cane, to needing a walker after one bad fall on a small step. Often their walking pattern had been unsteady for months or years. Common mistakes checklist. There are a few walking habits that might be holding you back without you realizing it. Constantly staring at your phone while walking can pull your head forward and throw off your balance. Always walking on the same flat, short path and never changing speed or surface may leave your feet and ankles unprepared for real-life surprises like curbs or uneven ground.